Looking for the perfect student pad in Bournemouth? Your search ends here. Welcome to 17a Christchurch Road, where student living meets ultimate convenience and comfort. Choose your ideal space from a range of stylish ensuites and studios, each featuring a cozy bed, coupled with plenty of storage space to store all your gear. But wait, there's more. Dive into a vibrant lifestyle with fantastic amenities. Chill with friends in the communal lounge, work out in the on-site fitness suite, and rest easy with 24/7 CCTV keeping you safe. Plus, forget the hassle of separate bills. Utilities are all included in your rent, saving you money. Location is just perfect, with Bournemouth University's Lansdowne Campus and Bournemouth Arts University being quite close by, easing any commuting hassles you might have. Craving some weekend fun? Indulge in mouth-watering bites at Korean Grill or sip your favorite brew at Naked Coffee. Need groceries? Yawing Global's spicy supermarket has you covered, being just around the corner. And with nearby bus stops like Swithin's Roundabout and Lansdowne Bus Station, getting around is a breeze. Ready to make 17a Christchurch Road your new home? Visit amberstudent.com and secure your spot today.